Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. Modular Micro Apartment. Inspired by Japanese folding techniques, the modular micro apartment in Milan's Brera district cleverly utilizes every inch of its 365 square feet. Its origami-like panels redefine space, morphing the layout into distinct zones. All horizontal surfaces serve dual purposes as furniture, maximizing functionality. The bed rests on a platform, opening up valuable storage underneath. Italian design studio Atoma spearheaded this innovative project, creating the chic and efficient living space at the heart of Milan. Ori Studio Suite. Imagine having furniture that seems to have a mind of its own, courtesy of Ori Studio Suite by an American company. This innovative set utilizes robotics to transform itself, optimizing the space in your apartment effortlessly. Need a bed or desk? It appears magically. Want it out of sight? It disappears seamlessly. Control it manually via a mobile app or even through voice commands if you have a smart home setup. Ori Studio Suite redefines convenience and efficiency, enhancing your quality of life with its space-saving magic.